Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I've got some good news, and I got some not so good news. You recognize this. This is the World Radio TV Handbook. Comes out yearly. It's chock with information about everything that's on the air, be it shortwave, TV, AM, FM, all kinds of information about broadcasters and what their websites and how to send them an email, and reviews of the latest toys. Well, the new version is out, and this is reported by Thomas at SWLING. And the bad news is this is the final edition. The publisher made this statement here, said no more, this is the last year. So you need to get this latest version. I'll put it in my Amazon store. The link to my Amazon store is in the description below each of my videos, and you need to get one. This is a great guide, info book, whatever you want to call it. Been coming out for 24 years. I have a bunch of these, and I was getting them just for some of the reviews of equipment, not to mention these things are like thick, really thick. I mean, we're talking thousands of pages of information. So, unfortunately, this is the last one. So, get you one. It's a great book. Have a great day. Bye-bye.